Well, at this time of the year, if money is short, some people might turn to payday or title loan companies for that quick cash.
Yeah, and while these businesses serve a purpose, they, however, come with some consequences if you don't pay your loan back within a month.
Well, WATE 6 on your side consumer reporter Don Dare says the interest rates are extremely high if you roll over that loan, Don.
Yeah, especially at title loan companies as high as 300%, and it is legal. Car title loans offer you quick cash in exchange for your vehicle's title as collateral. Generally, car title lenders have few requirements for potential borrowers. You can often drive away with the money in less than an hour. But these loans are expensive if you do not pay it back within 1 month. So you need to understand terms of the agreement. When did you buy this car?
June 2017.
It's a Kia?
Yes.
Geraldine Klein has been pleased with her 6-year-old car, which has paid off.
January of 2018.
So you paid in full?
Yes.
4 months ago, however, Mrs. Klein was short of cash. Using her car as collateral, she took out a title loan on the 8th of July.
I wanted to borrow exactly the $2,500, but from my understanding, it would be a long time to pay it back. And I asked her how long. She said maybe about a year. And I said, well, that's not too bad.
The term of the title loan was for 30 days, according to the contract. Geraldine said she was told at the loan company she could roll over the advance. However, Mrs. Klein says she was not aware that 267% is the annual interest rate.
When I asked her how long would it take to pay it, she said, oh, about a year or so, unless you want to pay it all at one time. And she said you could do that next month if you have the money.
So far, she's made 4 payments on the $2,500 loan.
I've paid a little over $2,100 to $2,200 already in 4 months. It's the payments going up and up and up that's the problem. Because when you live on a fixed income, you can't just go in there and pay $550 1 month.
By state and federal laws, title loan companies are upfront with their agreement terms, and they're strictly regulated. The Truth in Lending disclosure shows that your annual percentage rate is 267%.
I should have read that. You know, that's my fault for not paying attention to detail.
When you borrow $2,500, a lot of times it's very few people can just pay it off in a month.
John Fawaz, a financial planner at UT Federal Credit Union, says once a borrower gets behind on a title loan, the interest rate piles up.
Even though you're thinking I can do it, it's really tough. So sometimes you think, well, I'll pay it off in a year. When a year now, that $2,500, you pay $2,000 extra in interest. You keep it 3 years, well, now you paid $8,000 in interest. So then the problem gets worse.
Rolling it over is the problem.
That's correct.
Title loans are potentially risky because if you default, you can lose your car. In fact, 20% of those who take out a short-term, single-payment car title loan will have their cars repossessed, according to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. And records show only 12% of single-payment borrowers repay within 30 days. Mrs. Klein says she'll continue to make her loan payments and hopes soon to get out from under the debt. You want to get the car paid off by when?
February of 2020.
Now, paying off a title loan is the most straightforward approach to avoiding high interest rates. One option is to replace the title loan with cash, is to take out a different loan, a fixed rate loan from a bank or a credit union, which is often less expensive than rolling your title over month after month. Now, if all else fails, somebody close to you might be willing to co-sign and help you get approved for a loan. And Kristen and Bo, the last thing you want to do is default on your title loan because you could lose your car and then ruin your credit as well.
No doubt about that.
Yeah.
Don, thank you very much.
Yeah, we want to take a moment also to congratulate you and recognize today is your 50th anniversary of being on broadcast television.
Yeah, WFG. Fort Gordon, Georgia television.
That's where it all started.
That's where it all started.
Black and white, did you say?
At black and white television, a brand new second lieutenant in the United States Army.
Wow.
Well, congratulations,
like yesterday.
Don.
Yeah. Honored to work with you, my friend.
Very much so. Hey, if you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email. Or if you just want to send him a note, say, hey.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. ddare@WATE.com. You can also call a 6 on your side hotline number, 865-633-5974.